Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations Handmade. I hope you're all doing amazing. Today I want to share with you my 3D paper rosettes. These rosettes were made popular by the Anna Griffin Embossing Folder that came out, I believe it was a couple of years ago. Unfortunately, it's not available for purchase anymore. It was part of a set that is not available anymore. But these rosettes have actually been around for years. Fortunately, these rosettes are super easy to make, and if you don't do it with the folder, you have more opportunities of changing them and making them any way you want to, any size you want to. Don't go anywhere, you don't want to miss this. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click the subscribe button down below and also click the like button. Leave me a comment down below and share my video with your friends and family. Please, if you could do that, I would really appreciate it. It would only take you a minute, but it would help me and my channel immensely. It would help you to know that my content is good and is worthy of being promoted. So please do that. I would appreciate it a lot. And you don't want to miss my videos. I share a lot of video tutorials, project shares. I do a lot of giveaways and collaborations. So let's start with the fun. Here are all the rosettes that I made, and some of them I've made just to show you the different types that you can make just by changing a little bit, tweaking a little bit of the basics of these rosettes. So you can see here, you can make them flat like this, and you can make them so they have a lot of petals like this, create them into a flower. And oh gosh, I love how this one turned out. This one was made with paper from the Garden Party collection from Maggie Holmes. And I'm also using here my own chipboard embellishment, and I made this. I'm going to share with you a video on how I make my own chipboard embellishments, and they turn out really good. They're very inexpensive to make. You will save a lot. So I really love how this look, and you can see here that you can make them really flat profile, or you can make them into something like this that is not so flat. So this would be a lot higher in dimension, and I would recommend, if you're doing things to put in a mail, something like this, a flat profile, would be a lot better on your pocket, because it would actually save you some money from shipping. So if you care about shipping, make sure that you make the flat profiles for your cards or things that you want to send in the mail. And if you're going to sell this on your craft fairs for people to use as decorations for the gift giving or for tags, etc., you can make them any size, you can make them any shape, you can make them any with any thickness, any height, and they would decorate your projects beautifully. So this one is also from the Maggie Holmes Garden Party collection. And you can see here how this looks like a flower also. It has the petals, I call them petals, bunched up. And then it's a lot higher in profile than the other ones. So I'll share with you how to make all of them. You can make them like flowers. I love making them like flowers like this. I turned this one into a sunflower, and I think it turned out super, super, super cute. This one is also a flat profile, a thin one. So this would be great for projects that you want to mail. And you can use solid cardstock, or you can use your designer paper to make them. And they will look so different and beautiful. And you can see here, this one is not as flat, but it's not as high as the other one. And you can decorate the center, so you can decorate your rosette with ephemera or embellishments any way you want to. These are also great because for mass producing, you can work assembly style, and you can start part of it and then store them flat and keep them stored for when you're ready to do the folding and put them together. So this will save you a lot of time if you're mass producing for craft fairs. So look at how beautiful this is. So super stinking cute. This one over here will be more like the one that you would get if you would use the Anna Griffin Embossing Folder. You can see the profile is a lot bigger, a lot higher. These openings over here are a lot more pronounced, and it all changes just by changing a little bit of the basics of how to make them. And you can do something like this, super thin like this, flat, that you can use to decorate your cards, your tags for gift giving, and this would really decorate your project beautifully. And again, you can decorate them like this, or you can just leave them, just put a little circle so you can put them together and then just leave them so you can decorate them later with your ephemera or anything you want to use. So you can see the different styles. These ones are a little more open, but they're not as open as this one. As you can see there, the difference. And the height also, it's a lot smaller in one of them than the other. Look at how beautiful they look. This really would decorate your project beautifully and would make them pop. And people would think that you really took a lot more time to make them than they really take, and then they are more complicated to make because they look sort of like complicated, but they're fairly easy. Once you get the hang of the hang on them, you're going to be able to make tons of them. And again, it's pretty good for mass producing in the sense that you can start one part of the rosette. You can start your scoring and leave them store flat, and then fold them when you're ready to put them together. So look at how beautiful this one is. The opening is a lot deeper than most of them, and you can see that the rosette is a lot higher profile than the other ones. And then again, you can decorate them any size, and you can make them any size you want. You can make them as small as you want, like this tiny little one over here, or as large as you want, as this bigger one over here. And you can see the difference. So you can make the openings more pronounced, a little less pronounced, and you can change a lot of dimensions in them and change your shapes any way you want to. And again, you can see how small they get, how small you can make them. And this one is a little purple one. I like decorating them, but you don't have to do that. You can leave them blank, so you can decorate it to any occasion once you're ready to use them. And look at how gorgeous something like this would look. This would be something that would sell right away at your craft fair. So you can make sets of like 3 or 5 of them, sell them in sets, and people would love to buy this for gift giving, maybe for the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. You can actually decorate them for Christmas. And you can make like fishtail banners and add over here any sayings like Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, or maybe do sets for birthdays like Happy Birthdays or a gift for you, etc. So this would be something super nice that you can do to sell at your craft fair. You can also use this rosette or this rosette like a banner like this to decorate like mini albums or other projects that you can sell at your craft fairs. I'm going to share on part 2 of my video the tutorial on how to make them. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well. Please make sure that you participate on my Cricut Joy giveaway. If you don't know about my giveaway, make sure that you watch this video that I'm going to link to here or down on the description below, and learn more about my giveaway. I'm going to be giving more details about it on my next videos, but you don't want to miss it, so make sure that you check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're having an amazing week. Stay safe out there, and make sure to click the like button down below if you like this video. Also, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Have a great week. Love you guys. Bye bye. Mwah.